Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install TallyPrime on your laptop step by step. If you're new to TallyPrime, it's one of the most popular accounting and business management software used for bookkeeping, GST, inventory management, invoicing, and financial reporting. Installing it is quick and only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Now search for TallyPrime Download. Open the official Tally Solutions website from the search results. Once the website opens, you'll see two versions of TallyPrime. Simply download the first TallyPrime version shown on the page. Wait for the download to complete. Once the file has been downloaded, open it. Now click on Install. The installation process will begin, so wait a few moments while the software is being installed. Once the installation is complete, click on Start TallyPrime. TallyPrime will now open on your laptop. If Windows asks for any permission, simply click Accept or Yes to continue. After that, you'll see the welcome screen. Here, you'll find 4 different options. Simply select the first option and open it. And that's it. This is how you can install TallyPrime on your laptop step by step. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.